Hello, engineers and creative minds. Waving hand today, we're about to take an exciting journey together, a journey that will transform your 2D drawings into 3D models, completely automated and hassle-free.
We select Insert and Link CAD and set Import Units and set Trace Level. We want to insert Plans Foundation to all Revit models. This plan prepared in earlier in previous section. We unpin this DWG file and set places in all grid in Revit. We run Dynamo and we get select model element. This is DWG file. When we select it, in button of select model, show the number element ID. We use CAD point curve from CAD layer. We write foundation layer name and connect this string to layer name. We copy and paste and change a string to link concrete. As you can see, when run this Dynamo code, as you can see, curve consists of this layer. We connect this filter to body curve by joined curve. We create group for foundation layers and this step is create polycurves for foundation. Ctrl C and create new groups and create polycurve for link concrete. By right click, we get number and change name to thickness. This thickness is thickness of foundation and thickness of link concrete. search duplicate and select element type point duplicate. We create new code block and change name to name of foundation. We copy and paste for link concrete. We write A plus double quotation underline millimeters underline link underline concrete. At the same, we write it for name foundations. This code block will give us name of foundation based on thickness. We connect this to name element type, and now we need element type for foundation. We select fellow type and select foundation 200 millimeter foundation, and we connect this node to elements type. Copy and paste and write this nodes again for link concrete. We write set component layer width. We connect thickness node to width, and we create new code block or number for layer index. Layer index determine layer of compound index. We create new code block